guys. Today I'm playing British Railways on road. So today I'm playing with one of our subscribers. He is called Ray. So today we're doing train spotting at Freston Junction. So there's a train going to Russell Lane. Let's film that down.
We are sorry that the CC26 regional service to Norrington has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train being unavailable. We apologise for the disruption to your journey today.
That's for the two.
We are sorry that the CC56 regional service to Norrington has been cancelled. This is due to a fault of this train. We apologise for the disruption to your journey today. We are sorry that the
Let me
regional
type in
service
something.
to Side-on-Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable. We apologise for the disruption to your journey today.
Let me do this. Hey. Now this is cool. Now that is cool. Bye class 172. That's me. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to check me, I'm called, let me see. I am called Train Spotting. And if you want to add a subscriber, it's called Someone Said Re. There's some E's. I'll jump to my friends here. Yeah, we can use chat, but don't want to. Let's check the next train. On time, 2:23. To Cuffley, Norrington and Cuffley. We're just doing train sorting. Oh, we were. Yeah, he does road stand. Yeah, this is smaller. Oh, hi, AI passenger. Let's see, you'll get some upgrades soon. I am going to be seeing version updates. I'm gonna type in something to chat. This just says something. Hello guys. I'm gonna do that to the trains that come here. So subscriber, where do you want to go next? I'm more the intercity train, but that's delayed with 1 minute. It's pretty bad. Yeah, let's go explore Freston Junction. Not really that much to do. That's just bad, I gotta say. You may be wondering which game is better, SCR or British Railways? It's easy for me, it's got to be British Railways. I owned a 755, 170, 158, 350, almost every train. Arrived. Let's jump to it. Yay! There's on the station. I can't really move. I am playing on. Oh god, I hate AI passengers and BR. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah. Oh, I just realised we don't really have the same hair. Oh, why is it not doing it too? Hey, I'm not doing it too. I love it when the trains do too. It's my favourite. Especially Avanti. Like, I know Avanti is not my local, but still. It's not Avanti. It's a nice colour. That's going to Cuffley. God. I hate it when I film with phones, kind of so. Oh, look, it's Halloumi Heath. Oh, Halloumi Heath. Halloumi trains.
We are sorry, Nanda.
Add me, it's Tiramisu 7.
Service
Tiramisu 7. Sorry if I make some weird stuff. Now, where did someone say we go? This subscriber, I should say. I don't know his name. Oh. Sorry, guys, about that. It's dumb. This game is dumb. No, wait, where did we go? Where you? Oh, you're dumpster platform. Oh my god. Oh yeah, please may I make a note real quick. I haven't private server if anybody wants to add me. And the second thing is, please subscribe. Let me find the room now. Oh, it's in chat, I think. Chat GPT. Now let's see who was in chat. E-Wave. Wait a minute. Let me drive a train. Okay, driving a train. So big shout out. I'm really gonna make a shout out to someone said Ree. Because he's really desperate. He wanted to be in my video. So please may you give Ree a massive well done. A massive. And if you want to be in the video, this is all you have to do. Hit like and subscribe. And type in your username so I can play with you. And I know Oscar, you'll be in my next video. I think, with Ree. 100% Ree. You'll be in my videos now. Now, where's the next train going to come? 15. Which is at 20, right? I like the 755 I hear. Ooh. I like the sound of the 755s. And that's Ree. Looks Ree. It's Ree. Hey Ree. I do own the Leisure Anglia class 350. 755. It's lovely train. Yeah, let's board Reach train. Oh, thank you, Bree. Ree, I'm really happy with you. I'm gonna do a picture real quick with Ree. Thank you, Ree. Goodbye, Ree. I'm in this room. I have an idea. I'm gonna type in chat something. Hey driver, I think the guard bugged. Oh, okay. Oh, Milk is here. Right. Let's type in Ree. Thanks for the tones. Right. Who wants to drive a train? It was meant to be a train sorting video at freston, but who really matters? It can turn into train driving. Oh, we are having likes in this. Oh my god, I just love my avatar. Who wants this in my avatar real close? This is my avatar. Sorry guys. Right, let's drive the train. Well, let's hope Bree will come back. Yeah, I think he's too busy making coins. Those are coins. Brush rollers. Right, let's have a little move on. I'm gonna have a little oh god. Sorry about the menu. Let's do this. Please can cab. Oh my god, cabbage. I hate cabbages. Can am I gonna type? Oh god. No, probably. If you want to be in the vid. Oh, Reed's coming on platform 6. Okay, he's going to be driving trains. He's not down, but he's going to be driving trains. He's not doing... Oh, no, it's Pazer. Oh, no, why am I saying look, it's a Pazer? Pazers are annoying trains. At least it's a Pazer. At least it's a train. Big shout out to everybody playing. On platform 6, he said. Class 800 Nova and 802 Nova. Oh. The washing machine. The sewing machine. From old plumbers TMD in different trade. Son of what? Son of widest area say 142 at Mountain Intercity. Unless I don't. I don't know. Baby's going to Cuffley. Hey, so I haven't thought of that. Baby's going to Cuffley. Oh, look. Hey, he's back again. Tones. Yeah, I think I just turned up the volume. Bro, just went through. Bro, is Bruce supposed to stop out? Yeah, I think Bruce is supposed to stop out. Yeah, I don't want to go. I want to do some more trace spotting with you guys. Yeah, let me open the door. The door's closing. The Peggy goes away to the 158. My voice is not the greatest. I have a sore throat. I miss your friend. Goodbye. And if you give a champion call, I'll meet him again. He'll be driving a class 755 next. Maybe even a 350. Maybe an 8. As you can hear. Maybe class 350. Oh my god, I always said it. I overran. Damn. Okay. Luckily, we are getting new platforms at Norway. Yeah, me too. Bruce angry on the other. At least we're getting new platforms. What's the problem? We're getting new platforms. That will look better. It could be. That's just here guarding. One of my friends said that. Like it's a subscriber said that on the first day of Christmas, Patrol sent to me a DVD on a Ria or something like that. Yeah, it was that. We're on the Ria. Can you drive class 47? Oh no, I'm not reading chat. I'm sorry. I'm not reading chat. In a minute, it's gonna be chair. Right, let's see the next train. There's a train at Freston Junction every second now. Freston Junction is not busy. Let me type in chat. So can Freston Junction be busier? Can busy. I don't know what type. Busier. Yeah, that'll do. Ooh. Alright. Oh, it's free again. Oh, look, it's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. Yay. Oh, that's not Ray. That's someone else. Yay. At least we got 10. Here's pantograph up. Wow. Astley, Halloumi Heath, Norrington, Wolves End, Ashby Kirkside. So there. Hey, at least it's heading to the coffee here. Yeah, freston junction is not that busy. I'm coming, okay. All trains spawn at all Pandas TMD. Hey, I love the tones on the 755 trains. They're the best. Yay! Rocking around. In Roblox I am. I'm in row. I am. Row skill. No, I'm not playing on row skill. I'm playing on raw. Oh my god, I'm getting so mixed up with Roblox and brush house. I'm like, my head is like so annoying sometimes. Oh my god, please don't say there's another class 755 coming. It's a 7516. It's a 712, I think. Please don't cheat, please. Yay! It's free, I think. Oh, bingo. Big shout out to bingo, I guess. Oh, look, it's a Voyager. It's a Voyager. Let's go to that platform. Now that's a Voyager. Now that is really a Voyager. Of course so. I think it was doing a tutorial. Yeah, I think it was definitely doing a tutorial. All trains spawn at all plumbers. I'm gonna go server help here. Okay, it's okay. So my connection bingo spawned. Right. He is a subscriber after all. I love my subscribers when they play with me. Like these games like British Airways. No, not SCR. No SCR. I'll do everything. Icons. Hey! Right when I say that. Now, how do I get rid of that? Now, there's only a... Oh, that thing's going pretty fast. Accelerating pretty fast. But the 755 can accelerate faster. Go up. On electric, go up. I don't have to click my fingers. I'll just go. I had a big walk on to Grey West Main line today. I meant on the Riviera line. Silly me. I'm going to depart. Okay. Okay, why is his name Ray? Yeah, why is his name Ray? Coffee. Oh, coffee is at 42. Coffee is at 42. No. Oh, there's 3 minutes until coffee too. Sorry about that. 3 minutes until. And there's a 1 minute train. Oh look, the coffee trains came. I'm never gonna forget this memory. Yes, it's a yes. It's a 47. It's a 47, yeah. Oh my god. I remember all of that. I don't know. Next time she's Scott Row. I'm gonna do it. I have to. No, it's just too beautiful. I just can't look. It's the... But I forgot I own it. Oh my god, you're bad. You're bad. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, sorry about my fingers. My fingers didn't. This is a good platform. Platform 6 is the busiest. Oh, stop the poops. Yeah, well, I'm gonna pay revenge. Look at that. I'm not comfortable here. Oh, look, it's LNER. I should say FNER because I'm in full first game, which is pretty good. Really good, I should say. Oh, look, DVT at the back. Is that DVT? Wait, what? What's in there? Now that's a long 800, if I say so. Yeah, that's long. I think that's more than 12 cookies long. Maybe even 18. And they're gonna fit in here, I don't know. Why are you going slow towards us? Oh look, I think it's him again. Yeah, it's him. Thank you. Class platform 5 and 6. Sign. Right, shall I swap locations? This place is kind of ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna go and run a jack. Yeah, should I hop on this train? Nah. Yeah, let's try the train. I'm getting kind of bored doing train spotting. Trains are coming. Let's do some train. Right. Close your eyes, everybody. And say, oh, say when you can open it. Nah, let's do two. Let's do two. Let's just do 2 trains. Let's do 2 trains. Cuffley semi-fast. Wow, that is long. Open your eyes, yeah. Open your eyes. I don't think none of you open close your eyes, but okay. Who cares? Pantograph. Yeah, can you guess? It's my mouse is not working. And then my mouse is not working. Not my mouse, like the rat mouse. So I don't even know that's a mouse. It's a poisonous mouse. What the heck? Right, I'm oh, I just bought this yesterday. Can you turn off the volume? I can't hear either. Way louder. Now that's nice. Speeding. Say I'm already going 40. Sorry about the glitch. It's just I'm playing on laptop. And it's like really buggy because I have one of the old ones. And plus I'm filming phone, which is a little bit more stressful. Yeah, the 755 is a pretty good train. It's a bi-mode train, which is really good for my route. Yeah, if you see Sweden, there's a ticket right there. Then, let me note Ray for a minute. Ray, I'm driving. That'll do. Plus, I am called train spotting. Sorry if I speak really low. It's just my throat. What Jingle Bell 2's live? I'm doing a video of 3R right now. So sorry. That's right. Yeah, this is fun as I'm waiting for trains. That's for sure. I'm not allowed to whistle, I forgot. Oh, I am. Look, this is a pantograph. It's a pantograph. Because I'm on the Norrington line. Oh. What train spotting I remember you from yesterday? Oh my god. Okay. Freston. Right, I really like this game, but let's drive the class 47. Right, this guy doesn't know. Oh god, it has to come in hashtags. Milkers, and you're back in my videos then. Okay, I don't really. She is a subscriber. I think she's a girl. I don't know. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I meant to say. Plus I am from Romania, so please don't judge me. Judge me. Sorry about me, guys. I'm a little silly today. No, I'm not silly. I'm never silly. Who said I'm silly? Because I'm not silly. You're silly. You should have paused the DBSO. Nah, I don't like the DBSO. Bruh, why can we not do like one engine movements and do stuff? We should do more. Right. Like I would. I don't want. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Intensity. 12 coaches, not too shabby. Let's drive a train to Avonhill. 263. That's the Halloum. Okay. I don't like Halloum, yeah, I hate it. It's a bad station. Yeah, like it always bothers you go speeding. And if you go like, oh yeah, do a speeding route. Oh god, I need to stop at where's it called? And there's one concerning thing on the class racer. Why did they not build it electric? No. It's going to Avonhill. No, it's going to Avonhill. Who they see that I own all liveries? This is my favourite livery. It's the Stars one. Star livery. Let me try that again. My favourite livery is the starter livery in the BR blue. Oh no, it's making me buy. So I forgot the 800 spy mode. No. Okay. I got to... I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I heard enough. I heard enough of this class 47. I'm gonna sell it. I know who wants to sell it? Rusty boilers. No, I gotta buy it. I gotta buy it. I gotta buy it. I gotta buy it. No, I just gotta buy it. It's the 4th year England. No, it's 86227. And I forgot it. I'm angry. I'm just angry. I'm just really... Sorry about the washing machine. It's really loud. Yeah, I know. It's bothering me too. Look, if I buy the cross country class 221 and the class 800, I'll have all the Great Western Railway trains, not a class 220 plus 221 bundle, because there's a cross country, but still they go on the Riviera line, so I can't judge. Sorry about my language. Oh well. Sorry about whatever. Yeah, I almost own all trains. Yeah, I almost do. I need to buy 220 the Voyagers, I guess. 321 800 ATX, I should say, because you get all the ATXs if you buy one. I wouldn't be every day getting 4,000 coins only to buy an 800, all of the 800s. That'll be horrible. Yeah, I need the 86 and 90. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Yeah, I can't guard really. But we are getting a new. Yeah, let's explore Woodham. Let's do trains out. Well, I'll do trains out Woodham in another time. So yeah. I need a place to AFK right now, so I can read people in chat. Norrington will do. Norrington is rush hour right now, so you couldn't whilst I was gone. Transporting. Oh, sorry. Transporting. Did you post a video? Like what video? Oh, sorry. So anyway. I get to go. Bingo. What vid is you trying to make? Oh no, I did not post it. I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. Okay. I was hoping to be a there, but okay. So hopefully he should understand. Links. Okay. Hello. Do I need to reset my character? I don't like it. Right, it's like a maze right now. Okay, Norrington is a maze. Guys, ever go to Norrington again? It's a maze. It's not a maze, like a maze. Like a maze from Oh yeah, by the way. I am at 208 subs due to Ree and I forgot the other name so bro, that's on Wii. Oh, fine.
Intercity service to Avonhill has been cancelled. This is due to
the member of train will be.
We apologise for the disruption to your journey today.
Right, I'm not going to say anything, but I can't hate her. Let let me try that again. I kind of hate Marathon. Bum bum bum. Alright guys, I think I might end this there. I think I might. I don't feel that well. I'm gonna throw up in a minute. Not because of you guys. I don't hate you guys. Oh no, I forgot I need to buy some. I forgot I need to buy that. And that. And that. And that. And that. I'm gonna fall to sleep in a minute if I don't buy that. I own all locomotive. Oh, I never said the. Look who's a coach. Look who are our coaches. Look who are coaches. These are all coaches. See, I told you trains were coaches. No one believed in me. Oh dear. I don't know how no one believes me. These trains are made out of coaches. Let me make a view model. No, I just gotta buy it. No, I just gotta buy it. I gotta buy it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, what do you... If you watch the video end from start, what do you think my new favourite train should be? Right guys, I'll end this there. I'll end it with three. Sorry. I'll end it with my Roblox avatar. Let's just go to St. James Park, will do. Sorry about my coughs. I apologise. I don't think I can end it, but here's my hair colour. Oh guys, I'll leave in the comments if you want to add me. Who's in chat? If we set the station, what? I'm gonna say this ending the video. So guys, goodbye. Goodbye. I don't want dust trainers, so I'm stuck here. Sounds like a class something to me. Yeah. Bye guys. Bye.